In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an arch shape in Adobe Illustrator. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the process in a clear and straightforward manner, ensuring that you master the technique in just 5 minutes. First, let's begin by opening Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Once you have the program up and running, it's time to get our hands on the essential tools. Navigate to the toolbar and select the Ellipse tool. This tool will allow us to create a perfect circle, which is the fundamental shape we need to start our arch. To ensure the circle is perfectly round, hold down the Shift key as you click and drag on your artboard to draw the circle. Holding the Shift key constrains the proportions, providing you with a flawless circle. With our circle ready, the next step involves shaping this into an arch. Now, select the Rectangle tool from the same toolbar. You'll need to draw a rectangle that covers halfway up the circle. This rectangle acts as the cutoff point for our arch, so make sure it lines up neatly with the edges of the circle. Precision is key here. Mismatched edges can throw off the entire arch shape. Once you've drawn the rectangle, the next task is to select both the circle and the rectangle. Simply hold down Shift and click on each shape, or click and drag to include both in your selection. This ensures both shapes are active and ready to be modified. Now, direct your attention to the menu items at the top of the screen. Click on Window and then select Pathfinder. This action will open a dialog box that contains a variety of tools for combining and editing shapes. Among these options, you'll find the Unite function. Clicking Unite will merge the circle and rectangle into one cohesive shape, transforming them into a smooth, continuous arch. At this stage, you've successfully created an arch shape, but there's room for creativity with color. Use the Fill tool, found on the toolbar, to bring your arch to life with a splash of color. Choose hues that complement your project, whether you're aiming for something bold and bright, or perhaps a more muted, sophisticated palette. And there you have it. You've created an arch shape in Adobe Illustrator. This technique is versatile and can be used for a range of design projects. Practice combining different shapes with the Pathfinder tool to unlock even more creative possibilities. Stay tuned to our channel for more quick and easy design tips, and happy creating!